Inspired by you, DecoRug.
Natural Connection is the next generation in carpet and is made right here in Australia by Godfrey Hirst. It's the specially developed EcoPlus Triexta yarn derived from corn sugar fibre, which makes it so special and brings with it so many benefits in terms of softness, colour fastness, and provides superior stain protection like never before. In fact, cleaning spots and spills from Natural Connection EcoPlus Triexta carpet is as easy as using cold tap water and an absorbent cloth. You will be amazed. Here's what else you might like about Natural Connection EcoPlus carpet. There are 9 on-trend colours to choose from, including dark grey, silver, beige and neutrals, as well as cream and off-white. So you're sure to find a colour that's just right for you. EcoPlus Triexta comes with a lifetime pet protection, lifetime stain and soil resistance guarantee. And you'll also have the peace of mind of a 25-year wear and fade resistance guarantee. Natural Connection is a cut pile twist, making it ideal for daily household traffic, but better still, it's rated as residential extra heavy duty and is suitable for installation on stairs. This beautiful carpet is available now at your preferred DecoRug retail store, or click on the tab if you would like to know more or to arrange a measure and quote. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy shopping with us at DecoRug, and bye for now.